Oh yeah, today we're looking at an endoscope. Yeah! What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at an endoscope. What's an endoscope? Well, it's a device that you can hook up a camera with a little monitor into very, very tight places. I've never used one, but we're going to be taking a look at one today. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this thing, and I'm going to play with it for a few minutes, and then I'm going to show you what it does. We'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Alright, we're back now. I had some time to play with this thing for a little bit. So, this has to be one of the simplest setup tools that I've ever had, okay? I mean, literally, out of the box, you have the monitor, 50 feet of cable, and it also comes with these little magnetic clips that go on the end. So, like, let's say you're down inside of an engine or something like that, or there's a piece of metal and a pipe or something like that, and you need to retrieve it with these little metal attachments, these magnetic attachments, okay? But let's focus on the camera real quick. It's 50 feet of cable, all right? 50 feet of cable, which is more than enough, I would imagine, for what, you're trying to do. Multiple different types of applications you can use this on, okay? Plumbing, engine repair, whatever. And the cable itself is nice and stiff, okay? The camera in the front has a really bright LED that you can control from the control box, okay? And the cool thing about this camera, it's got a camera on the front end and also a camera on the top. I'm going to show you here real quick just how it does that. Alright, let me show you guys how this dual camera setup functions here. So right now we're on the main camera, okay, and you can see that the screen is nice and bright and clear, and the picture that we're taking is really clear. So it's bright in here in the room, but like I said, it's got that flashlight on the end of it. So right now I've got it pointing off the desk here, kind of sort of like towards the drums and the microphone that I have on my desk. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how it has dual camera mode here. Check this out. Okay, now we're on the camera that's facing, kind of like facing up out of the camera. This little piece right here is what we're filming right now. There's the camera. Okay, that's the camera that's on with the light right there. Okay, now press it again, and we have both cameras going at the same time. Okay, so you have an array of different options with this thing. Alright, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to take this thing out into the field, and we're going to test this thing and see if it can handle the elements. Okay, you guys, we're down here in my trusty old basement, as you can see here on the screen. Hold on, let me turn the camera. Oh, that's upside down. There we go. This is my basement. If you move the camera nice and slow, obviously you'll get a really good picture. Like I said, you can take photos and video with this thing. It does come with a built-in 32 gig memory card. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to stick this thing down some pipe I have here in the basement, just to show you. And right now the light on the pipe, on the, what do you call it? Let me make it a little bit darker in here so we can get the full effect. Right now, some of the lights are on, but I got some pipe up here. But I'm going to just stick this thing down to show you. Right now the light is off. Put it in here. And as you can see, it's dark. Okay? We're inside a little piece of plastic tubing. I'm going to turn the light on by just adjusting this thing here. And now we can see inside the pipe. And if we go nice and slow down in there, we'll be able to see what's inside the pipe. Okay, let's check another one. Try to adjust the camera here a little bit for you guys so it's straight. But I want to show you the dual camera thing. I want to try to get it set up to where it's straight and you can see the dual camera set up. So now this is the other camera, the upward facing camera. So you can check the inside of the pipe up and down, so to speak. And obviously the slower you move it and fine-tuned you are with your hand, the better you'll be. Press that button one more time. You'll have both cameras to kind of see where you're at. And then back to the main camera. Let's see if there's any spiders in here. Like I said, we got 50. What the hell is that? Is that a bug? What is that? What the hell is that? I don't know what the hell that is. I don't know what that is. Might be a piece of wood or something. This is just, it looks like a, I don't know what it is. So yeah, so this thing is pretty cool, okay? For what it is, hold on, I'm blinding myself in the face with the light. And like I said, the light is adjustable, so. Oh, let's do this. Oh, I'm upside down. Trying to see my face. There we go. So yeah, so there's pros and cons to this thing, okay? If you're doing something where you need to stick this down into a very short hole, you know, or whatever, the screen is nice and clear. It's got the lights. It's got the dual camera. It's waterproof. It's battery operated. It's completely idiot proof, this thing. The only thing that I would imagine being hard to do, if you're going to go down a long pipe, like a long, I mean 50 feet, it has 50 feet capability, you're going to have to straighten this thing out as best as you can before you go jamming it down 50 feet worth. And then on top of it, if the pipe or whatever, like let's say you down a toilet bowl or a drain, you know, a drain isn't straight, so you're gonna have to push this thing down, and it's gonna bend up, and it's gonna be tough, but it's not gonna. I mean, I've never done anything like this before, so I don't know what other types of products are out there on the market right now in the technology range. I'm sure I'm sure I've never seen anything like this before, so I don't know how plumbers and other contractors and whatnot did it before. And maybe they had devices like this back in the day, but they were probably stupid expensive. Okay? In the description box below is a code for a discount on this item on Amazon with the link as well. So this is great to have around the house for odds and ends. Like, for instance, you know, I've got all these dark spaces up here, you know, that I can look into now, you know, and it's very simple, very simple. So check out the link below in the description. Very, very, very easy to use. Let's see if we just go to another dark spot up here. Yeah, see, like, look, you could look around in all these tight places where you can't stick your head inside of pipes. See? Oh, yeah. You just have to have a very steady hand. Take a little bit of getting used to, but let me know what you think. The information below in the description box is what you need to click on. Hit the like button on your way out. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this item. Let me know if you have this item. I give it a thumbs up.